In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in Clickup, a task management tool that seamlessly integrates all your work tasks. Let's dive right in and walk you through this step-by-step process to keep your projects organized. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Clickup website. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and head to Clickup's homepage. Once there, you should see a Login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you're a Google user, Clickup provides a handy sign-in with Google option, which is often the fastest way to access your Clickup account. Simply select this option and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you wish to use and you'll be logged into Clickup in no time. Once you're in your Clickup workspace, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll notice 3 small dots. This allows you to access more options. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Templates. This will bring up the Template Center where you can find various templates to help structure your workflow. Next, you'll want to browse through the available templates, so go ahead and click on Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Backlog to filter the results to the templates specific to backlog tasks. After entering this keyword, you'll see different templates that suit the purpose of creating and managing a backlog. Now, choose the template that aligns best with your needs. Once you have made your selection, click on it. For demonstration purposes, let's go with the one labeled Backlog. After selecting the template, you'll see a new window open with more details and options about this template. Click Use Template to import it into your Clickup workspace. At this point, you have the option to rename the template to better match your project or team's needs. This flexibility ensures that the template fits seamlessly into your existing project management structure. After renaming it to your liking, proceed by clicking Use Template again to confirm your choice. Now that the template is active in your workspace, click on Backlog to view and start managing your tasks. Remember that you can easily edit the current tasks within the backlog to fit your specific project requirements. Customize each task by adding details, setting due dates, or assigning team members to ensure everything is trackable and efficiently managed. That's it. You've successfully created a backlog in ClickUp, streamlining your task management process to keep your team aligned and productive. Thank you for watching, and remember to check back for more ClickUp tips and tutorials.